little bunny, soft and sweet, with fluffy fur and hoppy feet. My ears stand tall, my nose goes twitch. I hop through flowers in a happy glitch. Boing, boing here and boing, boing there. I bounce and hop everywhere. Can you hop like me? Let's try 3. 1, 2, 3, hop with glee. Crunchy carrots, orange and bright, I eat them morning, noon, and night. Nibble, nibble, munch and chew. Carrots keep me strong like you. In the garden I hop and play, chasing butterflies all day. Peekaboo behind a tree, look who's hopping, it's just me. Bounce through tulips, roses too, with sunshine, sky so blue. Let's twirl around and shake our tails, bunny fun never fails. After hopping all day long, time to wash and sing a song. Splish and splash, rub dub dub, soapy bubbles in my tub. Rub my ears and clean my toes, wash behind my fluffy nose. Now I'm fresh and squeaky clean, the brightest bunny you've ever seen. The moon is shining in the sky, stars are twinkling way up high. I'm getting sleepy, time for bed. I'll snuggle close and rest my head. Close my eyes and dream so sweet, with fuzzy socks on my feet. Thanks for playing, friends so dear. We'll hop again, I'll meet you here. Thanks for singing and hopping with Boing-Boing Bunny.